That video, that podcast got over 50 million views. All right. So even from the YouTube ad perspective, he made a lot from YouTube ads. But imagine, I've seen several videos from big, YouTube guru channels where they talk about why you shouldn't want to go viral, right? Why you should just take it nice and slow on your YouTube journey. And that's fine, right? But I disagree to a degree. You know what I mean? I'm gonna tell you why. Now, granted, the idea what they're saying is they're like, okay, if you have a viral video, right? That video might attract, the wrong community or the wrong subscribers, depending on, where all these views are coming from. And that potentially can hurt the growth of your channel if you're getting a whole bunch of people who, they check out your viral video, but they don't look at any of your other content, right? Because maybe they just ain't feeling it or whatever. That can hurt you, right? And I'm like, okay, that makes a point. Okay. But it really depends on, your style of making money from YouTube. Because in my opinion, if you are an affiliate marketer or you're promoting something, right? And you're mainly like, look, I'm trying to build this business. I'm trying to sell this amount of products or sell this amount of memberships or whatever. And you're really just trying to get a service out to people, right? Sell a product. Going viral, one viral video can get your ass rich. That's a fact, right? Depending on, like I said, the nature of the video and what you're promoting, whatever. All right, so let's just keep this super simple. Let's just say you are selling a product or ebook for $10. All right, $10 go straight to your PayPal or whatever you're using. All right, so every time you make a YouTube video, right, you put your little link in the description, right, to buy your ebook. Every time you do a video, and whatever niche it is, whatever, it don't matter. All right. You notice, all right, you drop a video, it gets 75 views. All right, cool. Yeah, you ain't make no sales or nothing. All right. Wait another week, you drop another video, it gets like 200 views. Cool. The third video you drop, right, it might get 100 views, but guess what? Oh shit, you done sold the ebook, right? You done sold the ebook, man. You done made $10, right? $10 to your PayPal. Cool. So you keep on doing videos. Shit, you might be doing it 2-3 months, right? In that time period, you made it sold 5 ebooks. You made $50. So for whatever reason, because we all know YouTube crazy as hell, right? Unpredictable as shit. You drop this video. It might be your 30th video, right? But for whatever reason, that video gets 5 million views. So let's just say out of those 5 million views, for whatever reason, people like went to the description, they saw your ad in your video promoting your ebook or whatever, and 10,000 people decided to buy your little cheap ass $10 ebook. All right, so 10,000 sales at $10. You just made $100,000 off of that one viral video. Think about that, right? Think about that for a second. So I want you to even look at it like this. I don't know if you're familiar with Shannon Sharp. He had the big interview on Club Shay Shay when he interviewed Cat Williams. That video, that podcast got over 50 million views. All right. So even from the YouTube ad perspective, he made a lot from YouTube ads. But imagine if your $10 ebook was in the description of that video. Think about that, right? With that being said, I mean, it's nothing. 100,000 people could have downloaded your book, could have bought your $10 ebook. Right now, now you just made $1 million. And if you watching this and you're like, man, bullshit, this ain't real. Yes, the hell it is. People doing this shit all the time. People really doing this. You just don't know about it, right? People got affiliate links everywhere. People are selling their shit everywhere. Those t-shirts, people selling their merch, they're getting $5 and $10 per shirt. You know what I'm saying? Them ebooks, whoop-de-woo, they getting $10, $20. And I'm using $10 just as a, you know, just like some low, you know, simple thing to sell. But think about it. What about the people who are selling things for $50? What about people who are selling things that have a recurring income to them? Think about that. Think about that. So that in itself should be motivating when you're on YouTube. Like, shit, go for a viral video, or hope that your video go viral. If, right, if you are trying to promote something, if you are an affiliate marketer, or you got a business with a product you're trying to sell, hell yeah, you want to go viral. Now, granted, if you want a solid YouTube community, little niche tight, where everybody is on the same page and everybody, you know, thinks the same way and acts the same way and talks the same way, okay, then maybe you don't want to hope to go viral, because you might turn off a lot of people in your next video that you drop. But I mean, I'm gonna go with build my community. But shit, if I can get a viral video, I know for a fact the money is coming.